What's up guys, it's Abhishek again with a new video and you're watching Untechnical Tech YouTube channel. So this video will be in a part of the first series of our Ask Abhishek. So episode number 1 by the way. So in this video we'll be discussing about the 4 questions that came to me while uploading the second video of this channel. So before you start, make sure you like the video and comment down below any technical fact that you want to know. And if you are first to this channel or new to this channel, make sure you subscribe my channel. I bring awesome comment like this. So when I just uploaded my second video on starting the series and telling about the info of the series that we are going to be starting, many of you commented, rather would I say 4 of you have commented with your question. I was really happy because this number was very big for me as my starting YouTube journey. So we will be disclosing all those questions in this particular video only, that in the later part of the video. So let's get started. However, in this 2 video of my video uploading, we just hit 8 watch hours of time. So really thanks to those who were watching my videos through their heart. Till now when you are watching this video, we have just completed 20 watch hours of time. So once again, very much thank you to those who were watching. First question came to me was how to report a YouTube video 10 times. And really? So here is a solution. If you want to report a single video 10 times, you would be requiring 10 email IDs of different names. You know how to make email IDs. So the second question was on the geo hacking, and he wants to hack the geo for net availability. So to actually hack a geo network, you just need 2 things. First, supercomputer, and then a god level hacking skills. So here is a tutorial. I think you might feel it's helpful. So watch the hacking tips and tricks fully completely.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The third question was actually on the WhatsApp hacking tool. Should we use, should we not use, or how to hack WhatsApp, or just how to hack others WhatsApp account. So I'm just saying truly, I have just got to the many YouTube videos and I have just plenty of the tricks, but there was no one that could be fulfill your need. So they are all just videos to gain the watch hours, and they say that to watch the videos at the end to disclose the trick, and they lastly say that you have to use a third-party app to generate an automated mobile number. So what is the use? So the fourth question was how to earn through Bitcoin mining. To those who don't know what a Bitcoin is actually a cryptocurrency that's are mainly used for the online transactions or Bitcoin. So you and me knowing that the caddy's life was being hacked and there was a on demand for the Bitcoin. So here currently in 2020 one Bitcoin value equals to more than 8 lakh rupees, and in 2016 I think the Bitcoin value went up to the 10 lakhs and also to the above. So you can just invest on Bitcoin. I would be making a Bitcoin mining video next to this video, so just press the bell icon to get notified, because the video has just reached its maximum length for my device to render. So अगर वीडियो पसंद आती तो लाइक करना, शेयर करना और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। मिलता हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।